Okay, good afternoon, teacher. My name is Paulina Estrella. Topic, reading characteristics and purposes. Okay, introduction. Reading is an activity that involves visually explaining and interpreting the phonetic value of a series of symbols, writing visually, silently, or alone verbally. The characteristics of this activity is to convert symbols or letters into meaningful words and phrases, which will be copied once deciphered. In this way, we can explain, understand, evaluate, and use writing materials according to our needs. It should be noted that as adults, we must know how to read employment contacts. We buying a new house or car. We must read the documents when we think. We must be able to understand the form and the application. It is important for each person to understand and relate the text to the meaning of the word. It is a cognitive task that involves great complexity, since the reader not only was to extract information of the text and interpret it from their previous knowledge. It is very important before starting the reading, define and clarify what the use of reading sheet, text, or books is going to be. The purpose of the reading to be carried out must be established. Okay, según Quintana 2003, comprende la lectura como el proceso de transacción entre el lector y el texto. It should be noted that reading comprehension is the ability to understand what is read, but in reference to the meaning of the words that make up the text, and the meaning inside and outside. The total argument, thus creating or connection between reader and author. And finally, we can say that reading comprehension is a competence for life, and that for educational systems must give it the attention required from the beginning of the development of the reading and writing process in childhood. Okay, it is concluded. The reading comprehension is one of the linguistic skills that allows you to interpret writing discourses. For this, it is necessary for the person to involve their attitude, experience, and previously knowledge. Thank you for your attention.